we reach the end of the month, it is time for me to update you on how 50 Swipes is going. This is update 4 for me, and it is the project created by Julie's Caboodle Confession and LoveMeDianaDee, and it's all about getting 50 more uses on the products that you choose. I have 5 products in total, ranging from 3 categories. I have some nail polish, some lipsticks, and an eyebrow mascara, so let's start with the nail polish. The first product I have is my Holo Taco Gold Flake Taco, and unfortunately, nail polish just got neglected this month. Like, if you go back and check out any other project pan I have this month, uses are pretty much 0. So unfortunately, 0 uses this month means it's still at 8 uses in total, and I have 42 uses left to go. And it is no different for this one. This one is the Holo Taco Matte Taco, and this one also has 0 uses. However, I do have 9 total uses on this one, so it only has 41 uses left to go. My goal this next month is to make sure I don't have any neglected nail products, so I definitely gotta get on that. On to lipsticks, and luckily a little bit better of progress. And I mean a little. The first shade I have is a MAC matte lipstick in the shade Please Me. I did get 2 more uses out of this lipstick, bringing total uses to 13. That means I have 37 left to go. Luckily, this next one is where things start picking up a little bit, and it is my favorite lipstick from MAC. This is a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in the shade Samantha Ravindal. I did get 6 more uses on this lipstick, bringing total uses to 23, which means I have 27 left to go. I am almost halfway with this lipstick. So definitely a bit better of progress on my lipsticks compared to my nail polish, but this next product definitely is the MVP of the month. To be honest, I'm pretty sure it's been the MVP of the month since I started this project. This is the Etude Color My Brows in Blondie Brown, and it is the one that I constantly remind you that is not blonde, nor is it brown. Like, you cannot argue that that is simply gold. I did get 14 more uses out of this eyebrow mascara, bringing total uses to 59. But remember, we're going for 100 with this one. So I got 41 uses left to go, and that means I am over halfway with this. So unfortunately, this month progress is just all over the board. I've got products that I neglected, products that did a little bit better, and the star of the show again. So definitely my goal this next month is to get some uses on these, as well as other nail polishes that I have in project pans. And I'd also like to get a couple more uses on the Please Me shade. The Samantha Ravindal one's doing okay, but this one definitely needs a little bit more love. And then whatever I get on these 2 products is whatever I get, because you know what? So far, they're actually doing not that bad. So that is my update for today. Thank you for watching this video and getting to the end. It definitely helps my channel out, and it encourages me to keep going. And until the next one I see you in, I hope the day treats you well. Bye!